Okay guys, now in your notes you're going to see that there's a formula for simple interest. Okay, and I'll write it right here. Simple interest. And the formula is interest. The interest equals P for principal, R for rate, and time. And remember, when variables are written next to each other, they mean multiply. So P times R times T. Now, something I want to just clear up just before I move on from the intro. You know, I said, hey, compound interest is the way that we make money. We put money in a place and we leave it there, and we earn interest on the money we put there, and we also earn interest on the interest that we gained. Okay, but it also costs us money. We have to remember that, because if we don't pay our bills on the credit card, they're going to charge us on what we owe them, and then they're going to charge us on the interest that we owe them. So it grows a lot faster. So, you know, you can live by the sword and die by the sword. You want to put money away and make some money on that interest. All right. So here we go. This says a $1,000 bond earns 6% simple annual interest. What is the interest earned after 4 years? Okay. Well, it's easy enough. It says, what's the interest earned? Interest I equals, the principal is 1,000. That's the amount of money. Principal is always the amount that you put in, times the rate. And remember, guys, I can never use percent in an equation, so I have to change it to a decimal, 0.06. All right? And then it's times the time, which is 4 years. Okay, now when I multiply this stuff, I can do this in my head. 0.06 times 1,000. Well, if it was just 6 times 1,000, it'd be 6,000, but I need to move it back 2 places, right? So it's going to be 60 times 4, and then that's going to be 240. Now, I could have done it this way. I mean, it takes longer, but I can think of it this way, that after 1 year, it's $1,000, right? Well, I don't need a dollar sign, but 1,000 times 0.06, and that's $60. And then it happens again the next year, right? Because I'm only earning interest right here on the principal that I put in, right? So this is also 60. Okay, Mr. C, and we get the point. Why are you wasting our time doing this? I don't know. Maybe it's because I like writing on this board. Maybe that's what it is, right? Times 1,000 times 0.06. Okay, and then I get 60 again. When I add all that up, I'm going to get 240. So to answer that question, I make $240 interest, simple interest, on $1,000 over 4 years. That's not bad, guys. Your money's just sitting in the bank, and it made you $240, and you didn't do a thing. All right? Interest, it's a powerful thing. All right, good job, guys.